Yo, we're out here at MCPHS graduations. Congrats to all the new grads. You did it. You made it. You spent 100K or more. Thank you. Yo, so we're out here at the MCPHS graduation. I'm about to see my girlfriend graduate and walk, and a bunch of other friends. So congratulations to you guys. Let's go get into it. I'm out here alone right now, but don't worry, I'm not here alone. My friends are here. I just have to meet up with them. I'm not alone there, don't worry. I think I might go grab some breakfast real quick so I can chow down and then grab my seat. Hopefully I find my friends. I'm not trying to be lonely out here. Alright, let's get it. From the vlog, even from the vlog. Both vlog. Gotta vlog this out. Alright, y'all, so we're out in the middle right now. I'm here with my friend John. John, bro. What's up? Yeah, we're waiting for my friends and stuff. We're here waiting for the graduation to start. Let's wait until they come out. They're taking pictures right now. I don't know when to start, but fuck it.
3 hours later.
So it's out here, it's raining. I'm about to get super soaked. I don't know what to do. I didn't bring an umbrella.
Hey, I need to get on track. However, it wasn't that easy. And the only thing I am certain about is that the graph.
Graduation, it's still raining. I fucking sat on a wet ass chair. I didn't have an umbrella until my friend gave me his, but that was sick. So we're out here, we got the graduate right here. My flowers.
My flowers!
She's crazy, she's crazy.
I'm not crazy.
And I'm about to leave, I'm about to go get something to eat maybe, and yeah, go home. So now we're at home. We just got home from graduation. We changed into some dry. Now we got home. So now we're home from graduation, and we changed into. So we changed, so now we're home from graduation and we changed into some dry ass clothes because it was raining as shit, but luckily I got to use my friend's mom's umbrella. She gave it to me, and then I used it for a bit, and then I stood in the bleachers for a while, but my pants were still super wet. So the umbrella, I was holding it, and like the rain was dripping down the back, and it kept dripping onto my chair, so like my butt was just getting soaked by a puddle that I didn't even know. I didn't bring any extra clothes, but we're good now. We're dry. We're back home. We're gonna probably find something to eat. So let's see you in the next clip. Gotta make sure you wear your seatbelt. Y'all who don't wear your seatbelt, y'all savages. Well, anyways, we're in Quincy right now. We're about to go get some Perry Hot Pot. We're about to dig in, get some hot pot buffet, and I'll show you guys the food in a second. Gonna wait for her to get out of the car to lock the door. And yeah, it's a beautiful day now. It was just rainy this morning at the graduation, but now it's like super sunny and warm out, and we're just differently. Got some nice dry clothes. Let's go eat. We're gonna go find something to do. Probably get to some dessert. And yeah.